Hello and welcome to a Christmas special edition of the Diagnostic Question of the Week with me, Craig Barton. Now, for 1 week only, we are going to take a temporary break away from the wonderful world of mathematics to look at some of the other subjects that are available on the website, and specifically, in this case, from the Just for Fun section. So here I am on the website, and I'm going to go, as usual, on these Question of the Week videos to the data section because I want to find some of the world's worst answered questions to see if we can figure out what's going on. Now, normally I would have a look by mathematics, but today I'm going to go for a bit of Just for Fun. And I'm going to have a little scroll down here, and I'm going to search by trivia. And I am going to go for the most incorrect, so that's what it's already filtered by, and I've got loads of ones to choose from, but I've got one in mind because I got this wrong and it's doing me head in. So here it is here. What is the standard spelling of this word meaning tiny? So if you want to perhaps give the video a little pause, and firstly, what do you reckon the answer is, and secondly, what do you reckon the most popular incorrectly given answer is? So pause the video and then resume whenever you're ready. Okay, what did you go for here? Well, I'm going to be completely open and honest with you. I went for option B, and I would have happily put at least £2.50 on that being right. So too did my wife, who is infinitely better at spelling than I am. And when we both found out that the answer was in fact C, we were not happy at all. We were scouring online dictionaries left, right and centre trying to prove our case. But C is indeed the correct answer. Now, with the Just for Fun questions, not many students or people using it tend to give reasons for this, and that's absolutely fine. But let's have a look at the data behind this. So for all users, and let's go for percentages, we can see that only 23% of people are going for the answer of C, and I reckon most of them are cheating anyway. And the vast majority, like myself and my wife, are going for B, with 72% of people going for that one. What a weird spelling of minuscule that is. Anyway, this is basically just to show you that the website can be used for other things apart from mathematics. And I've spent some time over the last couple of weeks with the Christmas season coming, and the kind of knowledge that every now and again we all need a little bit of a break from everyone's favourite subject. So I've assembled a load of Just for Fun quizzes. This particular one, if I just click on the question itself, this is a new feature here. You can actually see related quizzes to any questions. So if you're on the actual question page, and you click on related quizzes, it will take you to all the quizzes that contain that question. And this particular one is the spelling quiz that is in the Just for Fun section there, and it is really, really hard. Let's have a look at, in fact, at the world average for this spelling quiz, because it is not high by any stretch of the imagination. If I go to statistics, here, and I can see all the statistics on each question. And if I click on see more data for the quiz, how's the world getting on with this? A world average of 40%, and some pretty ropey responses to some of those questions. Give that a go. Honestly, it's an absolute nightmare, that one. And if I click on quizzes here, I'll just show you some of the ones that I've put together. So there's all for all different subjects. We're up to 180 for mathematics now, but there are 15 Just for Fun ones in there for you to have a go at. Movies of 2014, Christmas trivia. Gareth, a colleague I work with, has done a classic flags quiz there. I like that one. UK best-selling Christmas toys, Christmas number ones, Christmas lyrics, logos. There's a horrendous spelling one. Everybody's favourite Christmas movie, bit of Frozen going on there, and name the footballer. So feel free to use those with your students in these last few days, or whenever you want. Mix them in with a bit of mathematics as well if you want. You can take a maths question and mix it in with a Just for Fun quiz, or however you want to do it. And I will return in 2015 when the Question of the Week feature will resume, and also we will have lots of new exciting features on the Diagnostic Questions website. So please do two favours for me. One, if you could help spread the word of Diagnostic Questions so we can get as many people signed up and sharing answers and explanations as possible, because the more people who use the website, the more questions we get, the more answers we get, the more explanations we get, and the more we all learn about how students understand and misunderstand mathematics. And the second favour I'll ask you is just have a happy, safe and very restful Christmas, because I'm sure we've all deserved it. Take care, and I will see you in 2015.